everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now I know I've been not uploading like I should be, but understand I have had a very trying couple of weeks. I am an essential worker and I do work a lot. So with that being said, don't make sure you like and comment or click the bell and all that fun YouTube stuff so that when I do finally get to uploading, you don't miss them, because I probably am going to do a bulk upload this weekend and get as many up as I can all of a sudden from like last month. And then this month, I swear I'm trying to be better, okay? So the first bag in for the month, actually I have 3 that came in today, so we're going to film this first. This is my Ipsy. It should be the Glam Plus bag, which is $25 a month, where you get 5 full-size items. And they're trying some new thing where you're getting a small little bag and like you get to pick like 2 or 3 items. Like, it's really weird. So let's go on and dive right into this bag and let's see what we have. Maybe I'll have more than just one item. I already know that I have canceled their ultimate bag, and I've had issues with their customer service. So maybe it's a nice bag. I don't know. We'll see. So the first item I'm going to pull out is the bag. So there is some stuff in this bag, and this is the bag for the month. It does say Ipsy across the top. Right there. It's kind of, I'm going to go with pillowcase. It's kind of like a pillowcase bag with more of this like glitter stuff. Like, it's not going to be my most favorite bag, although I could throw some stuff in it and wash. There is 2 small stuff left in the bottom of the main bag, so we're going to go ahead and pull those out so we can get the envelope that it comes in off onto the side. So the first thing we see is by Murad, and I don't know if my paperwork is going to have all of the stuff. It does say it is a Pure Perfection Day Cream, like sunscreen, with like a 30 SPF, which is kind of good because, to be honest, not only is Murad kind of a really great brand, more than kind of, but on the other thing, I don't really have much sunscreen right now, so that will be nice. And it looks like that this says Vince Fling Bailey Sarton Estate. I guess this is an eyeshadow palette. That's what I'm going to go with. It's right here, and it looks like had better eyeshadow palettes from them. I'm going to go with, yes, it's not much to write home about. These are the colors. It is a very neutral palette, with this one being the roller skate. Let's see if let's take the bonfire, and I will swatch some of these real quick. They don't look like they have super amount of pigment. Like, I'm not going to go in here and pull up a lot, but to be fair, I've seen more pigment before. It's not going to be like my worst palette, but it does, I don't know. So the palette, let's just open the little bag and go through and see what's in this. So there does have all the paperwork. The future is yours. Looking forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. It's not really going in to a whole lot of information. It does say 3 next level ingredients to try. And then on the back of this, it says, build your perfect bag. Now, thanks to ultra personalization, you can build the perfect bag on the 1st of every month. Don't miss out on these amazing features. Ipsy picks 2 personalized items we think you'll love. You choose 3 of your 5 full-sized faves. Add up to an additional 8 products. That's their new logo. That's what they're going to go with. So, didn't tell me anything about any of my products, but we'll go ahead and pull this out. This is by Ciate London. It is the Watermelon Burst setting powder. This is one of the items I did pick because I do like Ciate London. It does have a light hint of watermelon in it. Wow, that's weird. It's like feeling like, I mean, it's got powder, but it feels like paper or like a little piece of, I don't know. But it's really nice. I don't have any brushes around me, of course. So, I'm not going to try anything on. This is by Real Her. It says Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. Now, I think this is the one that I picked. Maybe. I don't know. I think that's why they're in the bag. Then again, I am not the best when it comes to this, so I'm kind of guessing. Not that I don't love eyeshadow palettes and makeup, it's just that this is all new stuff to me. Because when I was young, didn't really play with much makeup. Kind of nice box. Oh, well, I'd write Ipsy that I guarantee you they won't give me nothing for that. But I will definitely take a photo and write them. However, this is my eyeshadow palette as the one goes crumbling everywhere. So, but I only got broke one shade, so that's not bad. We'll go ahead and swatch these and see what kind of pigment they have. Oh, not bad. I do like the pinks. It is sad that one of the pans is broke, but it's still usable. So, I mean, I'll leave Ipsy a message, but the last couple times, Ipsy has not been the best at helping you out when you get broken products, so we'll see how that goes. I will keep you guys updated later in the month. Like Ipsy says, I'm sure they won't get much of anything because that's what they did the last time. They sent me a replacement product that was just as broke. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, I have 2 items in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess I got 6 this month. This says it is a lip oil by In Beauty Product. I do like the box to this, so that's nice. This is what it looks like. I do like lip oils. To keep your lips hot. Whoa, check out that. What the? Okay, so that's a weird looking brush. But I do like lip oils. They keep your lips hydrated. Oh, and that has a nice taste even. So I do like that. I do enjoy that. I don't wear a whole lot of lipsticks, and that makes it fun. And the last item is by Huda Beauty, and it looks like it is a color. It's called Game Changer. I've never had Huda Beauty lipstick at all. I don't buy any expensive makeup because it's expensive. So all of my stuff has been in boxes, and I hadn't gotten this. This is Demi Matte. So let's go ahead and wipe off that lip oil. That lip oil is pretty awesome. And I will try this, although that is a little intimidating. that much lipstick coming off. It's alright. It definitely is a, sorry, I had to wait. My phone went off. It's definitely a kind of a pinky pink. So I don't know what I think about that. It's not as pink in person as it's coming across on video, but yeah. So that's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That, like I said, I don't know why it gave me 6 items. Usually only gives you full size items, just an FYI. However, it is $25 a month, but do keep in mind they aren't really doing really great. Customer care used to be really, really great, and lately it's not been so great. So, but yeah, that's the whole bag. I don't know why I had so much outside of the bag either. Like, literally everything fits in this bag. So, kind of like it. I don't know if I'm going to like this bag, but that is your Ipsy bag. So, like I do, I tell you, I upload as much as possible, as fast as I can. Do keep in mind, I am an essential worker, and I do a lot of working, so this is my hobby, and I do purchase all of my bags for myself. I actually do not get anything sent to me at all, so I pay for these, and I share them with you. So, if you like that kind of stuff, just make sure you check out my other videos, and as always, I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.